Hi ma'am, this is M. Monica from 3B department and my roll number is 234Z180261. My topic is problems on H parameter. Define hybrid parameter. Hybrid parameter or H parameter are used to describe the electrical behavior of two-port networks such as transistors. They combine both impedance and admittance characters, making them useful in analyzing both small signal and large signal conditions. Here we write general equation for H parameter. V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. For example, from the given network, find H parameter and also find the symmetry and reciprocity condition. H parameter, general equation for H parameter. V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. How to write loops means here we have two loops. Loops when we are calling loops mean that loop considered as closed. I1 and I2 are two loops. 3 I1 plus 5 I1 plus I2. Why we write I1 plus I2 means here loops directions are different, that's why we write plus. When directions are same, in that time we write minus. Second loop, V2 equals to 4 I2 plus 5 I2 plus I1. Total is calculation is V1 equals to 8 I1 plus 5 I2 and V2 equals to 5 I1 plus 9 I2. These are two loops. In H parameter, case 1, we do V2 equals to 0. We consider V2 equals to 0. In that time, loops V1 equals to 3 I1 plus 5, V1 equals to 8 I1 plus 5 I2, here same. But V2 we consider 0. That's why 0 equals to 5 I1 plus 9 I2. 5 I1 equals to minus 9 I2. When dividing I2 by I1 equals to minus 5 by 9 equals to this considered as H21. And V1 equals to 8 I1 plus 5 I2. V1 equals to 8 I1 plus 5. Here I2 we have minus 5 by 9 I1. V1 equals to 9 I is a 72 I1 minus 5 5 is 25 minus 25 I1 by 9. V1 equals to 72 minus 25 we got 47 by 9 I1. V1 by I1 equals to 47 by 9 ohms. This we consider as H11. Case 2. We consider I1 equals to 0. In loops V1 equals to in loops where I1 writing in that time we consider as 0. V1 equals to 8 I1 means this is considered as 0. V1 equals to 5 I2 and V2 equals to 5 I1 plus 9 I2 means 5 I1 is 0. So V2 equals to 9 I2. I2 by V2 equals to 1 by 9 more is equals to H22. You consider V1 equals to 5 I2. I2 means V2 by 9. V1 equals to 5 by 1 by 9 V2. V1 by V2 equals to 5 by 9 we consider H12. In H parameter we written as H11, H12, H21, H22. 47 by 9 H11 means 47 by 9 and H12 means 5 by 9. H21 means minus 5 by 9. H22 means 1 by 9. Condition for reciprocity. In H parameter and Z parameter, Y parameter, T parameter we written conditions for both parameters, both 4 parameters. Condition for reciprocity and condition for symmetry. Condition for reciprocity in H parameter. H12 equals to minus H21. Here H12 means 5 by 9 and equals to minus H21 means minus 5 by 9. Condition for symmetry. Delta H equals to 1. Delta H means H11, H22 minus H21, H12 equals to 1. Here H11 means 47 by 9, H22 means 1 by 9. Here minus h21 means here minus 5 by 9. So that's why plus 5 by 9 into 5 by 9 equals to 1. Here this all calculate means 0.81, 0.8. This not equals to 1. So this is not h parameter. And another example, determine h parameter and also find the symmetry and reciprocity condition. Here this is pi parameter. H parameter general equation, v1 equals to h11 i1 plus h12 v2, i2 equals to h21 i1 plus h22 v2. And loops, here first loop considered as i1 and second loop considered as i3 and last loop considered as i2. Here i1 and i3 loops are same, that's why here written as y minus. And loop 1 and loop 3 are considered as i1 and i2. These are different. These are different directions. Loops are also different. Loop 1, v1 equals to 3i1 plus 8i1 minus i3. Why means here 8 is between the loop 1 and loop 2. And also directions are same. That's why here considered as minus. v1 equals to 11i1 minus 8i3. This is equation 1. And loop 2 equals to 0. 2i3 plus 8, i3 minus i1 plus 4, i3 plus i2. 0 equals to 2i3 plus 8i3 minus 8i1 plus 4i3 plus 4, 0 equals to minus 8i1 plus 4i2, 14i3. This is equation 2. Loop 3, v2 equals to 8i2 plus 4i2 plus i3. v2 equals to 12i2 plus 4i3. Case 1, v2 equals to 0 considered. v1 equals to 11i1 minus 8i3, 0 equals to minus 8i1 plus 4i2 plus 14i3. And here v2, that's why we have written as 0. 0 equals to 12i2 plus 4i3. We calculate here 0, that's why this is easy for calculate. 12i2 equals to minus 4i3. i3 by i2 equals to 12 by minus 4. Here cancellation is equals to 4 to the 12. So minus 3. i3 equals to minus 3 i2. This is calculated in the equation 2. 0 equals to minus 8i1 plus 4i2 plus 14. Here i3 means minus i3 i2. Minus 8i1 plus 4i2 minus 42. Means 14 3 is 42. Minus 42 i2. Minus 8i1 minus 38 i2. i2 by i1 equals to minus 8 by 38. This considered as h21. We want point decimals means minus 0.21 i1. And i2 equals to minus 8 by 38. v1 equals to 11 i1 minus 8 i3. 8 i3 means we calculate here minus 3 i2. 11 i1 plus 24 i2. 11 i1 plus 24 i2 means here we written as minus 8 by 38 i1. v1 equals to 113 by 19 i1. v1 by i1 equals to 113 by 19. Here we consider as h11. Case 2. Here we consider i1 equals to 0. v1 equals to minus 8 i3. 0 equals to 4 i2 plus 14 i3. v2 equals to 12 i2 plus 4 i3. Here 0. 0 is very easy to calculate. Minus 4 i2 equals to 14 i3. i2 by i3 equals to minus 14 by 4. i2 by i3 is equals to minus 7 by 2. i2 equals to minus 7 by 2 i3. i3 equals to minus 2 by 7 i2. v2 equals to 12 i2 plus 4 i3. v2 equals to 12 i2 plus 4. i3 means here written as minus 2 by 7 i2. 12 7 84 84 i2 minus 4 2 is 8 minus 8 i2 by 7. v2 84 minus 8 is equals to 76. So v2 equals to 76 by 7 i2. i2 equals to v2 by 10.85. v2 by i2 equals to 76 by 7. i2 by v2 equals to 7 by 76. We consider as h22. v1 equals to minus 8. i3 means here written as minus 2 by 7 i2. v1 equals to 16 by 7 i2. v1 equals to 2.28 i2. v1 by 2.28. i2 means here written as 1 by 10.85 V2. V1 by V2 equals to decimal. Here we get 0.21 equals to H12. Here equation H11, H12, H21, H22 equals to, here we got H11 equals to 113 by 19 and H12 0.21 and H21 minus 0.21, H22 7 by 16. Condition for reciprocity. H12 equals to minus H21. We got H12 equals to 0.21 is equals to minus H21 means we got minus 0.21. Is correct for condition for reciprocity. Is right. Condition for symmetry. Delta H equals to 1. H11, H22 minus H21, H12 equals to 1. H11 means 113 by 19 and H22 means 7 by 76. Here H21 minus H21 means we got minus 0.21. So that's why here write is plus 0.21 into 0.21 for H12 equals to 1. This calculate means we got 0.59. So this is not equals to 1. So these are the H parameters. Thank you, ma'am.